Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a how to make geological face maps as built in AutoCAD. Okay, so first of all I'm going to show you. This is the I'm using AutoCAD 2020 and this is the format for the as-built drawing I have prepared for the geological face maps. This is just prepared this compiled two face map for this preparing this as-built. First of all, we should have the JPG image format of the scan copy of the geological face maps, and that I have already scanned some geological face map for preparing this as-built drawing. And this is the format for the Super Dodi Hyper project for 54 megawatt Lamjung, Nepal. And we have here tunnel meters, CNS or warden, date, month or year of the exception. This is the drive direction, gradient of the tunnel. We have to put the drive direction here, and this is the cross section of the tunnel. There is tunnel Purmo upstream side. This is not the Purmo upstream, it's the of which location or work site you are going to prepare. Put it here. This is the Purmo, means the location of the SRT tunnel of one of our audit here, and this is the engineering geological map section, description section over here, and jointing of the rock mass and shape of the jointed body. You can write according to your site condition or according what you have to put here. The text, degree of weathering about the rock mass, groundwater encountered during the extraction, encountered Q value, and rock support and number of applied rock bolts, reefs or circuit quantity. So you have to put it here from which change to which change, and remarks and prepared by whatever. So one thing I have forgot to apply here, the changes. So we have to put the changes from here to here. From this point, let's say this is the 0, we have to put the changes over here. For example, changes, sorry, we have to put the changes over here. This is the changes row, and we have to put the changes like this way, and rename it with 0. You have to put it here 0 is the starting point of the changes. You can change the text of whatever you like, and offset this changes in every 1 meter or 2 meter, whatever you feel confident. Offset, I will offset this line with, sorry, let's say this is 1 meter, and you can copy this over here somewhere. Okay, you have to measure it for this. This is 2, and likewise the same way you have to do the offset of the line, and you measure. By measuring it, you can measure and make it 2. This is just for example, I'm not by measuring this, I'm putting this numbers of changes as it is. So this is the format, and I'm going to import or it has JPG format of the scanned face map. For this, you have to go to the insert tab, and here is attached icon. You have to click it here and go to your geological face map. This is my scanned face maps, and I have to select here and go from here, and you can choose your geological system where it is located. I am here, and click on open. After selecting it, click on OK, and you have to place it whatever first of all, whatever it will scale the map. Basically, we are going to this is in landscape mode, and I'm going to rotate it. Click on rotate, click any point, it will rotate like this way in 90-degree, like this way. Now you have to, this is the wall map. We only need the wall map, not the face map. This is prepared by our geologist. So first of all, select this photo. Okay, in this boundary you cannot select this like this way. You have to click on the boundary and the edge of the photo. After selecting it, some options will appear here. Create clipping boundary, and click on this. Click on create clipping boundary and zoom in. We only need this wall map, and click on here and click on the selected area up to which you need, like this way. And this map will only clip the selected area. You can also manage from after the select clipping this area. So we got the wall map from the face map. So this is small. Also rotate it here. We are need in the portrait view, not this way, in this way. Now it is in vertical 90-degree. Then bring it here. Move it from here and drag it like this way, and place it in the zero change like this way. You can manage by zooming in and move in the exact zero changes like this way. But the map we have clipped is according to this way. So first select this clipped map and right click and click on scale. And you have to give the base point for the scale. Click on one point and then just drag your mouse without clipping mouse like this way. Now your map is placed in from zero change. Okay, this is the zero change. The same way this is done now. So we have to overdraw. We have to draw over this map. So for this, click on the edge of the map, right click on properties, and go to transparency. Here is written by layer. You can put any value from 0 to 100. So I'm going to put 40% of the transparency. It will dim. If you need, you can give 30% transparency, 30% or 60%. I'm not sure about the transparency, how much it will transparent or okay. If you go on raising the value, the map become more transparent. I have put the value 80 for the transparency. So we have done now, and the process is similar. Attach another map. Okay, we have done with the one map, and click on OK. You can clip the map like this way, not without rotating it. Select the map, click on create boundary clipping boundary, select the area you need like this way. Okay, I'm done with clipping. Now move this map to our destination. Okay, place it in the correct manner, click and also move now. Okay, this is not in scale according to our format of the Asbuilt. Again click and scale, click on base point and drag without clicking the mouse, zoom in and whenever it is favorable with the placement, click on the mouse, then again click on the image, right click, properties, transparency, put it 80. Okay, now this is done. Okay, now we have to draw over this. Click on home button and click on draw spline, and this is spline is the free hand drawing tool. Whatever you feel easy with polyline or line or spline, you can draw with whatever tool you like. This is the sail band drawn over the map. I'm going to draw over this sail band in the map. This is the digital layer. Now you can draw like this. This map is somewhat not following the previous map, so the sail band has gone in this map here, and in this map this is still in the map, not gone outside. So you can draw this map like this way. Continue with this spline. Okay. So first of all, you have to, this is only for the example, you have to fill this this part about 30 to 40 50 meters according to your design. Okay, this is only example, and this is fill, and then you have to draw over these layers of the photos, clip photos, and then after you can remove these photos, delete this, okay. After drawing these spline layers or lines, you can put the attitude of the foliation or joints or sail bands, drippings of water, whatever mentioned in the maps. You can also draw those layers or joint planes, whatever is mentioned there. After drawing all these things, you have to write the descriptions over down according to the chainage. Description, what is, if the description is same from 0 to 30 chainage, you can mark a boundary over here, and you can write the description in this section. Jointing pattern, with degree of weathering in these sections, drawn map, and your map is ready. And you can remove these photos after drawing all the layers over the photos. In this way you can prepare the Asbuilt or any digital map over the drawn face map or any other document, not only the face maps. If you want to draw the digital layers of anything, any pictures, you can draw like this, and you can remove these scan photos, and your digital layer will be there for you as a final output. Okay, thank you this much.